handong at hiyawan sa kauna-unahang Grand Coronation Night ng Miss Universe Philippines Benguet kagabi October 19 sa Janhay Convention Center. Sa opening introduction pa lang, nagpakitang gilas na ang 10 kandidata. Unang rumampa ang mga kandidata, suot ang kanilang casual attire. Suot naman silang rumampa, suot ang kanilang swimwear at evening gowns. Dito, tinanghal na darling of the press si Don Castillo ng Wangan La Trinidad. Nahakot naman ng Poblasyon Tuba na si Laineri Yudong ang People's Choice Award Best in Tourism Video, Best in Advocacy Video at Best in National Costume. Best in Swimwear at Best in Evening Gown si Cristeta Longay ng Atok. Miss Congeniality naman ang pambato ng Veracitogon na si Ven Vesperas. Mula sa 10 mga kandidata, napili ang top 5 na sila Miss Universe Philippines Benguet Atok, Miss Universe Philippines Benguet Tublay, Miss Philippines Benguet Bugyas, Miss Philippines Benguet Poblacion Tuba, Miss Philippines Benguet Sablan at Miss Philippines Benguet Wangan La Trinidad. Pero bago matapos ang labanan ng ganda at talino, isang sorpresa ang inihayag ng organisasyon mula sa top 5. Ito'y naging top 6 at dito nasama ang pambato ng Wangan La Trinidad na si Don Castillo.
Sobrang grateful ako and I know that this is God's plan for me. If you saw a while ago, I wasn't really part of the top 5. But God made the way for me to become part of the top 6.
Ang top 6, nasubok ang kanilang talino sa question and answer portion.
Quality that I would possess is authenticity. The confidence to embrace my roots, my cultures, and my values, and using that to inspire other people to do the same. Thank you.
If I were to add one special element to the official seal of Benguet, it would be a torch that is light up high on the top of the seal. It is because here in Benguet, we glow as Igorots with strength, with compassion, and with courage. Thank you.
Mula sa top 5, hinirang na third runner-up si Medji Sotero ng Tublay. Second runner-up naman si Mary Molcio ng Bugyas at first runner-up naman si Clauden Bernardino ng Sablan. Hinirang naman na Miss Universe Benguet 2026 charity si Don Castillo ng Wangan La Trinidad.
Miss Universe Philippines Benguet 2026 is...
Miss Universe Benguet 2026 Tourism si Laineri Yudong ng Poblasyon Tuba. At kinoronahan si Cristeta Longay ng Atok bilang Miss Universe Benguet 2026.
I feel overwhelmed. Feeling ko hindi pa masyadong nagsisink in. But I'm just really happy na nandito yung support system ko with me. That is something that you have to look out for, but my advocacy is actually centered on the youth.
Proud ako sa kanya. Worth it talaga yung lahat ng paghihirap niya, lahat-lahat. Ninenervous ako.
Ikinatuwa naman ng MUPH Benguet ang naging resulta ng patimpalak.
I'm so speechless. But nonetheless, the event is successful and we have our esteemed panel of judges who decided for our winners. And I believe in their dedication. They're the one who choose to represent a queen. Sobrang saya, syempre. She is very Igorota, of course, and I know that she will represent Benguet effectively and efficiently. And actually, kahit hindi siya yung manalo sa lahat ng 10 candidates, lahat po walang tap.
Si Cristeta Longay naman ang magiging kinatawa ng probinsya ng Benguet para sa Miss Universe Philippines sa 2026. Angel Arquero, RNG News.